I coming here and I don't know where I can go if my children, for example, they are sick at 11 at night or 2 o'clock in the morning. I stay just in my city. I don't go anywhere, and this is the first country.
Yeah.
And I don't know if, for example, if I have a problem, I don't know where I can go, or as well with the hospital, or where I can go at the GP or something like this. And I think will be helpful for other people to know this first time when they can come here.
During the Everyday Bordering in the UK project, people that have migrated to the UK took part in creative workshops and described some of their everyday experiences in the UK. This brief film outlines some of those experiences, both positive and negative, with the aim of showing the type of issues that people can encounter because they don't have knowledge or understanding of services and systems in the UK. In the film, people also describe the type of information it would be helpful for newly arrived migrants to receive when they arrive in the UK.
هلا كثير سووا لنا هلا مثلا كيف بدي لك يعني بالبدايه ما كنا نعرف مثلا نحجز موعد او مثلا كيف فواتير الكهرباء او فواتير المي او الغاز او ايجار البيت، يعني ما كنا يعني كل هي الامور او تسجيل الاولاد بالمدارس، عندنا منح الرواتب تبع الاطفال والاجراءات والمعاشات هي كلياتها هن اشتغلوا لنا اياها، وكانوا برغم هيك يعني انه نروح دورات انجليزي عندهم، يعني حتى الاحرف ما بنعرف، يعني علمونا الاحرف وكذا، يعني
عندكم حسابات البنك
يعني كثير امورنا كلها هن اللي مشوها، يعني احنا ما بنعرف شيء لانه
it was very difficult to manage two kids, and when I find out about the maybe the council later, when I contact to them, they send me a letter that I can send her for 15 hours to nursery, and I did it quickly after knowing that. I bring her to the nursery, and it was like you have more time for the little one, and you know that your older child is in a safe place, and you are having a helping hand. Maybe if they can give information from hospital, for which kind of help you can ask after going to home. If they can give any papers or any leaflet. For especially for some foreigner, it will be a great help, because she will know how to move.
In the following clips, participants in the creative workshops also share examples from their own lives of when UK-based services haven't recognised how their past experiences impact on their current understandings and needs. And they go on to show how this made them feel.
First time when I was at the job center, I meet with a lady, and I think she don't want to help me, or I think she don't want to tell more things. And the lady say, you need to find a job, you need to find a job every time. But she don't tell me how I can find a job. Because I don't know about this application. You can find a job. In one day I spoke with her, and I explained, because I like to make more things, craft and handmade.
Right.
And she said, handmade is just a hobby. You cannot do anything with this. I sell more things in my country, here now. But because after I born, I stay at home, and for me this was very helpful, because I can make more things, and after I sell and I make money. but she don't tell me anything, like nothing,
Right, okay.
because I know I can do more things.
I need to be like at least not in the center because I don't care about it, but I need to be like close to the shops
Yeah,
where I buy my stuff,
yeah,
close to the place I go to.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because if you go to there is most of 2 or 3 areas in Hull you can't live in it as a failing person.
Okay, and do other people that from your...
Exactly,
you
from
say
from my culture, people who I need to be with,
Yeah.
This is even like the shop where you go to buy your stuff.
So as we've heard from participants in the film, people that have migrated often draw on how things were done in their country of origin to understand and make sense of their new life in the UK. And this can lead to misunderstandings, mistrusts, and people's needs not being met. So it's important for practitioners to understand this and explain their professional roles and how different services and institutions work in the UK. We can see the importance of this in the last part of the film, where people share how they felt when they were able to find the important information that they needed, or they were given support by someone who was open and listened to them.
I received maybe an automatic letter at home
Okay.
because both of them were under 5 years
Okay.
and they needed health visitor.
And how did the health visitor help you? What was it that they...
She always wanted to know if my kids were able to do such things in that age.
Yeah.
Like 1 6-month baby will, if he is able to sit down or
Okay.
or try to keep things or toys on hands.
Right, okay.
Yeah, and she was over there with something for weight also.
Oh, okay.
Kids also for the measure of the length of the kids.
Okay. So,
And she always asked me if I need something. Every time I need to contact her, any problem or anything, I need to ring her.
I've been in contact as well, the MP, they helping as well. They happy to help as well. I've been in contact with the MP about most of the problems I got, and that be helping with that.
okay.
Yeah,
So that's good.
yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, they even the good thing as well. They listen to you. They not ignore you.
Right, okay.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
That's good.
Which is I don't expect. I said, well, the MP talked to me. I don't expect it, but they did,
Right.
and that's a good thing to have.
Yeah, how did that make you feel?
Good.
Yeah.
Because it's not easy to speak with MP in my country.
Okay.
No, no chance.
So you felt heard?
Exactly.
Yeah.